my channel, AllasYummyFood. I'm wearing this super funny apron, obviously, as you can tell. Welcome to my kitchen, добро пожаловать. Today I want to show you these delicious Ukrainian sort of wafer sort of squares, or you can basically cut them into any shape that you like, but they're so delicious. They're filled with yummy Dulce de Leche cream. You can use any sort of variations if you like as well, but I've chosen the colorful wafers as well to represent the colorful, delicious sort of snack. And yeah, I was really inspired by lots of food bloggers who made them before, and I wanted to make it on my channel to share it with you guys as well. I really love these little cake squares. They're perfect for like a little mini dessert or like a canapé at the end of the dinner, so your guests will kind of bite into it, and it's crunchy and it's creamy and it's so yummy. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I want to reach 100,000 subscribers, guys. All you have to do is press the red subscribe button and then press the bell notification. It will let you know every time I upload a new video, so this way you never miss out on my new recipes. Okay guys, let's get started. In a stand mixer, add unsalted butter, which is at room temperature, so it needs to be softened, and whisk it for a few minutes until it becomes nice and pale. Then you want to add your Dulce de Leche or boiled condensed milk. You can also use store-bought caramel, so completely up to you, but if you want the caramel flavor, these are the options that I suggest. You want to whisk everything together at high speed, and as you can see, I'm adding my cream a little bit at a time. Then you want to go around and scrape the edges, make sure the butter and Dulce de Leche has incorporated. So kind of scoop around and make sure it's nice and whisked. You want to whisk it for a few more minutes just to make sure the cream has been whipped up and looks absolutely delicious. So when it's done, it's gonna look just like that, and you want to place this aside for a moment.
As some of you know, I have launched my online cooking school where you can learn how to make the most amazing cakes ever. I've got level 1, 2 and 3 for beginners to advanced, and you'll be able to learn the beautiful mousse cakes. You can also do this as a gift for somebody who loves cooking and baking. I think it's an awesome present. And of course, if you wanted to learn yourself. Each course has over 20 to 40 video lessons in there where I teach you all the skills, different cakes and unique designs. We also have a Facebook community group for all the bakers that join my course, and you will have my unlimited support throughout teaching and learning. I really hope to see you in my online cooking school, and if you have any more questions, then leave the comments down below.
So we're gonna start layering our cake, and I like to add a little bit of cream at the bottom, but this is optional, just to make sure the cake sticks. However, it's much easier to decorate the cake while you hold it in your hand sometimes. So go around with your spatula around the edges, make sure you've got enough cream everywhere. The reason we need to add extra cream so that the next layer sticks to our other layer. So it's very important that you add a lot of cream. I like it very sort of moist. However, if you prefer more of a dry crunch to it, then you can add a bit less. But usually it's about 1 to 2 tablespoons of our Dulce de Leche cream in each layer. Once you're done covering 2 or 3 layers with Dulce de Leche cream, I like to add just Dulce de Leche on its own. In fact, if you really like caramel or Dulce de Leche, you can even vary 1 Dulce de Leche and 1 the cream. This way the cake is gonna taste so amazing. So you want to spread each cream on your cake and add as much as you need, and of course you're going to use a lot of Dulce de Leche if you're using that in between. That's why we obviously have the cream, but yeah guys, this cake is so good. So once you do the final coating, you want to add 1 more layer on top, and we're not gonna do anything with it anymore. We're gonna leave it to set completely, and you might want to put something heavy on it for it to kind of fall down and press. And after several hours, feel free to slice into this delicious waffle cake. You can cut little slices into different shapes. I'm gonna show you squares and rectangles, and like I said in my video earlier, you can freeze these and then they taste like little ice cream bites with caramel. They're so good, guys. Everybody loves these. They're really good as snack. They're really good as a canapé. Kids absolutely love these because they're like little naughty treat. But at least you've made it and you know what's inside there. So there's nothing wrong with a bit of dessert. So once you've cut all your slices, just take each layer and kind of cut across and create different shapes just like that. And then of course, that's how they're gonna look. Loads of cream in the middle. And I love the colorful wafers as well. It just makes it more sort of celebratory. To make the square ones, you just want to hold these and just cut them into a square shape, and just make sure you kind of press when you cut, as they're still quite gentle. There you go, guys. Look at these beautiful squares and triangles. I love this recipe, so I really hope you try these as well, and I'll see you in my next video.